people in every part of the world. We at Pratigna wants to share the ideas and expertise of talented and extraordinary teachers to students of Ayurvedic fraternity. My name is Dr. Anjana Unnikrishnan. I have done my BAMS and my MD from Parashnikadava Ayurveda Medical College, Kannur. So let us now jump into the topic. An introductory session on online certificate course on cosmetology, trichology, diet modification, and obesity management. Today's introduction is aimed to enlighten doctors as how this 1 month session is going to be helpful for the participants in creating opportunities in their career. Let me introduce you to our panel. Our doctors are Dr. Madhu Chawla, Dr. Amala Jyoti, Dr. Shivanand Patil, Dr. Vinayak Nawale, and Dr. Rachit Vikas Matre. So let me first introduce you to our speaker, Dr. Madhu Chawla. She is the owner of Ayurveda brand, Ayurveda Private Limited, Panchakarma and Multi-Specialty Clinic. She got her BAMS from Podar Medical College. She is an entrepreneur and manufacturer of Ayurvedic products. Ayurveda is an ISO and GMP certified company. She is into product manufacturing since 4 years, and she has conducted 90 plus offline workshops and 60 plus online workshops for basic and advanced product making. She is also the owner of Skin and Panchakarma department at Ulhasa Nagar. She's the owner of Ayurveda Health Cafe. She's trainer at Mumbai Soppers Meet. She's specialized as cosmetologist, trichologist, skin esthetician, and clinical dietitian. Let me hand over the mic to you, ma'am. Dr. Madhu Chawla, ma'am.
Hello. Yes, good evening, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Please take over the session.
Okay. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Okay. So, good evening, everyone. Thank you, ma'am, for the wonderful introduction. Myself, Dr. Madhu Chawla. I am a cosmetologist, trichologist, skin esthetician, and a clinical dietitian, owner of the brand Ayurveda Private Limited. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Shyam Mohan, Dr. Rahul, and Anjana ma'am and the Pratigna team for having this introductory session so that you will all come to know what exactly we are going to teach and how you will be benefited out of it. So, I'll be teaching the product making session in this course. What exactly products you will be making, how to do the marketing, how to do the publicity of the product, how you will customize the products, each and everything we'll be teaching you. So let's discuss about the daily care products. Daily care products, for example, gels, creams, face wash, shampoos are used on daily care basis. And we will not be teaching any kind of DIY to you. We will be teaching all the commercial products only. So that you can properly launch a brand, you can form your own brand, and you can do the better publicity. So daily care products, you can sell it very easily. Let's talk about how you will be benefited out of it if you are making the daily care products. Let's consider the basic product, that is the gel. If you are purchasing it, for example, at 200 rupees in the market for 50 grams. So in that 200 rupees, you will be able to make 1 kg of the gel out of it, and you can change the actives also according to the skin type of your patients. So in that way, you can customize the products. You can change the actives in the products as per your patient's requirement and as per their skin or hair conditions. For example, if you are having the patient of melasma, you can obviously will be willing for prescribing Kumkumadi Tailam. So, but patients are not willing to directly apply oil over their skin. So you can convert it into the cream form. Along with that, you can add different actives as well. So in that way, you can customize the products as per your patient's requirement. So as per the season changes, obviously you will be changing the products also. So for example, in summers, we are prescribing sunscreens. So you will be able to make the sunscreen for your patients. You will be able to make the SPF according to your patient's skin. You will be able to make the advanced product also and the basic sunscreen also. And let's discuss about the winter care products, as winter is on. Foot creams, body butter, moisturizing lotion, each and everything will be covered in as per the winter care range. And the most highlighting part of this course is we are teaching you the baby care products also and the men care range also. So we will be covering the toddler products, for example, baby soaps, baby lotions. No one is teaching that at the commercial level. And in the men care range, obviously the most running product, for example, you can say the beard oil, the shaving foams. So in that way, each and every product from basic to advanced will be covered in this course. And you will be able to make not just the female care products, but the male care range and the baby care range as well. And will be obviously changing the actives, and will be telling you about the permutations and combinations that you can make in your products. And along with the product making, we will be teaching you the machinery procedures also. Machinery procedures and the beauty procedures related or the correlated to Ayurveda, obviously. So you can start a basic setup of the advanced cosmetology or advanced trichology or aesthetics as well. In the, we'll be teaching you the non-invasive procedures that are actually allowed to you. And whatever products you will be making into the sessions, you will be able to use that in your procedures as well, and you will be able to prescribe them on a patients for the daily care basis also. So in that way, we'll be covering the machine parts and the product making part, the commercial products. And we'll be obviously teaching you how to make the packages, for example, Saundarya packages, for example, bridal packages, so that you can each and every time enhance your practice in that way. See, people not necessarily are suffering from any kind of disease, any kind of pain on daily basis, but each and everyone would like to look beautiful on daily basis so that they'll be presentative in each and every occasion or on the daily basis. So people would love to invest on the daily care products as well, and on the advanced care products as well, and on machine procedures also, to look beautiful and to be in the shape properly, because it represents them. So they would love to invest in that, and you will be getting the benefits as you're customizing the products. You are giving an advanced touch to your practice by adding the machine procedures and the beauty procedures in that. Along with that, obviously with the internal medications, we'll be teaching you the diet part as well. Diet for healthy skin, diet for enema, diet for PCOD, and the detoxification procedures for the skin and for the whole body. So in that way, we'll be covering each and every product making range along with the man care range and baby care range, machine procedures, so that it add a good enhancement in your practice, and with the diet procedures also. And each and everything will be done practically and on the commercial level. I'll just show you some of the products so that you will come to know what exactly you will be making in the courses. See, this is the body butter. It's the most running product nowadays. This is the body butter. If you know about the products, what products are available in the market, what are the contents of the product, how to use that product, and when to use that product is much important. So each and every detail about the skin, about the disease of the skin, and for the betterment of the skin and for the beauty purpose will be teaching. So this is the gold serum, the most running. See, if you can see, this looks like ice cream, but this is the soap, and this is the Upton soap that is the most running product. Obviously, in the Diwali season for winters, we will be teaching you this kind of body lotions. You can compare these products with the market products as well. These are the skin tonics. Obviously, in each and every skin OPD, the common patients are for acne. So this kind of anti-acne face washes you can make, and the sunscreen for someone. I hope you are having the brochures and the course syllabus with you. You can go through it. You will be able to know each and every aspect of skin, hair will be covered along with the diet part. So this is a suggestion. Don't follow a brand. Try to make your own brand. And I think this is the time to enhance your practice. So all the best. Hope to see you all in the further sessions. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. That was a very wonderful session. I would like to let you all know that if you want to join the session right now, my partner, Dr. Rahul, will be sharing the WhatsApp link in the chat box. You can directly click on it and enter into the program. Thank you, ma'am. Now, let me introduce you to our second speaker, Dr. Amala Jyoti. Dr. Amala Jyoti is a chief physician and board of advisory Heal with Food, Bangalore. She's a chief physician at Ayurjyoti Clinic, Trivandrum. She did her BAMS from Amrita School of Ayurveda and MD from SDM College of Ayurveda, Hassan. She's a former assistant professor in Department of Agadatandra, SDMCA, Udupi. She's a part of teaching team in cosmetology certificate course is conducted by Cosmetology OPD SDMCA Udupi. She also worked as consultant in Cochin Ayurveda Shala, Trivandrum. She published 5 articles and presented around 15 papers international seminars, and several other academic and career-oriented CMEs and workshops. Over to you, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please take on the session?
Yes, I just got myself unmuted right now. Okay, so good evening, everyone. I'm Dr. Amla, and I am an Ayurvedic doctor with a post-graduation in Agatha Tantra. So obviously, my field of interest was dermatology, and I come from a traditional Ayurvedic family, and I'm sixth in the generation. And for us, the interest which led me into cosmetology was my father. So he always he has a very good practice in dermatology. We have our own products, which is very good in treating all the skin cases, and he has his own twist in making it into a cosmetic aspect also. So that actually made me interested, and when given an opportunity from SDM Udupi, I voluntarily took it up so that I can pursue a little bit further on this cosmetology field. So ideally, when it comes to the present scenario, we have the general notion Ayurvedic doctors don't make money. Okay, many other times we see even if you go as a lecturer, or if you go as a junior doctor, the pay we get is very, very minimal, and we have to invest a lot in our studies also. But nowadays we have a lot of options, including cosmetology, obesity management, which will make us a good source of income, and you need not invest much initially. So only thing is, you start with the very basic things which you can easily avail from the sources without much investment. You get a lot of profit, as correctly what Madhu ma'am told. What you get for 200 grams, you can make 1 kg of it. And when you sell that, you get a good profit. With that profit, you can slowly start investing in more and more products. And then you can have your own brand. And nowadays, homemade products or organic herbal products are so much in demand. You won't believe there are people who would spend thousands for small products. I'll show you. This is one of our kajal. Okay, so I have taught this to a group of students like Pampa, Diksha and all. I sell it for 200. My students sell it for 800. The same product. So you can know the resources, the revenue you can get from the product. So it is not just cosmetology. See, whenever some women especially go into cosmetology, we are always looked down upon, seeing what is the difference between a beautician and you. But we have a lot of opportunity, because whenever there is a herbal care, everything they label it Ayurveda, though it is not Ayurveda. I'll introduce this lotion. This is a psoriasis lotion, and the base of it is Aragvadadi Kashaya, and the oil we have used is psoriasis oil. And I have customized this for my patient. So every time you have a patient, you can look at the symptoms and you can customize the products. This is Durvadi Grita. We have a Durva Grita combination for palmoplantar psoriasis. So Durva Grita cream I have prepared, because this is for a doctor. So whenever usually we have a patient, we ask them to apply Grita as a external application. And many people find it a problem, because, it stains their clothes, it makes the hands greasy, and they cannot do any other work. And she is a doctor, she's a radiologist. So for her, asking her to apply Grita and stay away from other work is impossible. So we can inculcate. I have transferred this made it into a butter and a cream, so that whenever you want to give it, this will be easier. It will not stain. It will not give a greasy feeling. Similarly, we have these lip balms which we prepared, which is with natural color, so that it gives you a coloring which is safe, because most of the time they use metals for coloring agents. Kajal, they use lead. And if you look into the toxic studies, almost many products, cosmetic products, has a lot of lead metal toxicity. That is regarding the metals which goes into it. This is Mahatiktaka lip balm. So this we give it for people who have PCOD. So PCOD, we have one of the main symptoms is darkening of the lips. So you can always customize it and make it with your own products. Every doctor has some set of medicines in which they have a very good belief in. With that, you should customize your own cosmetics, so that you can always when you customize it for the patient, the belief the patient has in you, because as far as when it comes to the result of of any disease, the first thing is how the patient believes in you. Sometimes, you know, the patients come to us with the pre-notion it will not be cured, so no matter whatever we give, the patient will not be satisfied. But when we convince them, see, you are having this condition, we will give you this, we are specifically preparing it for you, take 2 days, say that only once I see your complaints, I'll prepare it for you. So all that helps the doctor to develop a trust in the patient, and no matter whatever happens, they will believe in you, and the results will be still more faster. So cosmetology does not always relate to only cosmetic things. You have another unexplored branch of medical cosmetology. Most of the time people look down on Ayurveda because we have oils, kashayas, gritas, which they say it's not appealing, we cannot present it outside. This is the high time that you people have to adopt these methods and prepare your own medical cosmetic products, so that, you know, we can bring up Ayurveda in the forefronts. And the next important thing is obesity. So lockdown has come, and for the first time, I think many people are staying at home for a long period. But what has happened is they have put on. So many a times we have people coming who have minimum put on at least 5 to 6 kgs. And one thing is, we don't, many people, we cannot advise them to come for panchakarma procedures because of the COVID protocol. And patients will also be not always willing. So we should have a proper understanding of the diet, how it has to be implemented, because giving a diet is easy, but no one will follow it. But how should you implement it in the proper way so that people will follow it and get the good results? So I am one of the co-founder for Heal with Food, which is a organic product endorsing brand, and we conduct weight loss programs. So we have batches of 25 and a 7-week program. The minimum weight loss we get is 8 to 10 kgs. And that is only through yoga and diet. We don't give any like basic supplements like Hingu Ashtaka Churna, maybe some spices combinations we give, but solely through diet and your lifestyle we can give it. Because nowadays, okay, cosmetics people will spend, but obesity people will be doubtful whether to spend it. So you can just charge them your basic fees, and then just make them change their diet in the most effective way, so that they will start having the confidence. In a week, you can make them lose around 1 to 2 kgs, and post that you will have the plateau phase and all that, which we'll be discussing in detail during the course. But the proper diet implementation with the variation of yoga, that is Ashtanga yoga, is giving wonderful results in the obesity management. So I hope we can see all of you in the in future during the participation of this course, where we'll be discussing each of this in detail. And I hope all of you will become an entrepreneur in medical cosmetology and cosmetology, and prove that Ayurveda is not always a low yielding science. It is a very rich science, not only in the subject matter, but also for the doctors. So thank you all, and hoping to see you on this platform. And thank you, Pradignya, for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, ma'am. That was a very wonderful session. I hope you all understood what she was going to deliver to you. So let me remind you once again, if you want to join this course right now, you can just go to the chat box. There is a link there. You can just click onto it and join our courses. You can also visit us as www.pradignya.com for more details. Now, let me introduce you to our next speaker, Dr. Rachit Vikas Maitre. He has done his BAMS from Nasik. He is an esthetician, cosmetologist, and trichologist, skin esthetician, cosmetologist, and trichologist. He has a diploma in Panchakarma, diet and nutrition, aromatherapy, massage therapy, acupressure, acupuncture, product making, and business management, and MediSpa. He has worked as CMO at Madhavbag Cardiac Clinic. He has worked as senior R&D manager at Salubrity International Pharma. He is owner of cosmetic brand Enchanted Herbs since 2014. Over to you, sir.
Good evening to everyone. Thanks a lot, Dr. Anjana ma'am, for the introduction, and thanks the Pratignya team for this session. So this is very good that we are giving an intro session to everyone, so that everyone may understand that what's really going for this 1 month duration. As Dr. Madhu ma'am and Dr. Amla ma'am already introduced, and the same field I am from the Ayurveda field. Let me introduce myself, Dr. Rachit Vikas Maitre from Navi Mumbai. working at Ulhasnagar for the Vedarogyam Wellness Clinic. And I own a Vedarogyam Wellness Institute Private Limited, where I am taking courses for cosmetics, psychologist, and everything regarding therapies and product making since 2014. So my main field is for the cosmetics, as I have worked in the as a senior R&D manager in a cosmetic company. So I have worked for the OEM and ODM modules. So coming from the Ayurveda field, after completing the BMS, that is the main question mark to everyone, what should we work? So everyone goes for the clinical practices for Ayurveda or allopathy. But there is one more field which is very upcoming, that is for the cosmetics. So you can see all these products which are my own branded products. But at the start, there was a problem. That is, I launched the first product was Kumkumadi Tailam, but people needed that in their way. That is, they needed the Kumkumadi cream. So I entered into the cosmetics field. And then later on, we see nowadays there are many more products in the market. While launching any product, we need to study the market demand and the market value. So market budget is also very important. Budget of preparation for the manufacturing is not that important. Rather, the market on the demand of the customer is very important. If I will prepare Kumkumadi Tailam, that will give a sale. But looking into the product management, product making, not only into the product making, but we also need to look into the business management. And for that business management, we need to launch such products which will give a good income to our own institutes, and also a result for the patient and the requirement as per the patient, as per the customer. So customer needs a Kumkumadi cream, so we need to indulge the Ayurveda and cosmetic pills together. So indulgence of cosmetics and Ayurveda is basically what I like. So that is very important. And for that, this session, we are going to do such courses, such products we are going to learn to formulate. It's not only that you should depend upon a formulation. If I am giving you a formulation, you should not depend on it. I will love if you can formulate your own formulation. So what are the changes you should do? What are the changes you need to do? That understanding the chemistry between the chemicals and the Ayurveda is very important. So we'll be learning for the chemistry of the chemicals and the Ayurveda, traditional Ayurveda knowledge. Both the things, indulgence is very important. So the session which I am going to take is all about the main care and all the exotic products according to the upcoming running trending items. So we'll be going for the shaving cream. We'll be going for the aftershave lotion. We are going for the beard products. Also, we are going for the hygiene wash, that is hygiene care. We are going for some exotic products like anti-odor spray, anti-thermal protection for hairs, anti-pollution care, then the latest technologies, just like sock spray. So no one knows that what is sock spray. So these are all exotic products coming from the international market. As working in international pharma, this was my main field. So we are going for such international products which I haven't running in India still now. But this is our playback that we should take it out and we should give this. So we are going for such exotic products like beef soaps. We are using soaps. First, people were using the soaps. Then people came towards the cold processed soaps. Then nowadays, people are coming for the natural soaps, that is glycerin-based soaps. But further, what is the future? Future is of the whipped soaps. So this way, we are going for different types of products. Lotions. Lotions we are preparing, but lotion bars, this is something exotic. Yogurts. What are yogurts? Yogurts are light-filled cream emulsified products. Yogurts gives very light feel, gives 24 hours moisture locking capacity. So such types of technologies we are going to indulge in our products. Then coming like body butters, bath salts, which are very exotic. So here are some of the products. This is the saffron bath salt. This is the shampoo bar. These are all our own brand products. Then not only about the production, this is all about the formulation, but how about to represent them, the labeling, the packaging. You can see the exotic packaging. These are the serums. So how to run for the exotic packagings and exotic products, just like we have indulged here Aranya Rajni, that is wild turmeric face wash. So whenever you are adding turmeric in your surfactants, that will give a chemical reaction and that will turn your product into red color. So how to avoid those chemical reactions? So what are the precautions? How to give your product a good potency of 2 years, expiry date, how to prolong the potency, how to give the products more effectiveness. Those all things we are going to learn in this session. Not only about the product formulation, it's all about the how to formulate your own product, how to give a good look for your product. We'll go also for a little bit for the packaging materials, different types of new packagings. Then we are going for the laboratory, some of the tests like pH meter, pH checking by pH meter, not by the pH strips. So I want to indulge all the things. I will be indulging all the things which I have learned in the cosmetic R&D field. So this is all about the exotic products, and that is all we are going to include in our session. So I hope so everyone will be very much interested for such type of session. Thank you, Amla. Thank you, Anjana ma'am, for this introductory session.
Thank you, sir. It was a very informative session. I hope all of you understand everything he said. And if you are interested to join now, the link is available in our chat box. Please click onto the link and join our sessions. So let us move to the next speaker. Our next speaker is Dr. Shivanand S. Patil. He's an Ayurvedic sexologist, trichologist, and cosmetologist. He owns Dr. Shivanand's Skin, Hair, and Infertility Clinic at Maharashtra. He has done his BAMS from BMK's Ayurveda College, Belgaum. He has done MD from A.L.N. Rao Ayurvedic Medical College, Koppa, PhD from Tilak Ayurveda Mahavidyalaya, Pune. His postgraduate diploma in medical trichology from Rijswijk University, Germany. He has diploma in medical trichology and cosmetology from Clara International. He has diploma in trichology from Indian Institute of Cosmetology, Trichology and Nutrition. He has been awarded Kamalabhai Dandimat Award, Dhanvantari Award, Sadak Vaishishthya Award, Ema Ratna Award. He has authored 7 books, Dravyaguna Sloka Sangraha, Dravyaguna MCQR, to just to name a few. He is a member of International Council of Sex Education and Parenthood. So let me hand over the mic to sir. Sir?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Please take over the session.
Yes. Yes, good evening to all. So warm welcome to all to today's introductory session. So myself, Dr. Shivanand Patil, I stay in Kolhapur, Maharashtra since last 15 years. So we are running a trichology cosmetology center. So we are specialized in our procedures. So what is the specialty of this course as well as our treatment is, so we are dealing with the modern concepts, Ayurveda concepts, and we are integrating both the things together. We are using some machines which are legally we can practice, and integration is very important. So, okay, so I will be dealing the 3 classes. In the first class, we are going to discuss the anatomical part of the hair in the clinical vision. So how to identify any disorders by understanding the proper anatomy and the physiology of the hairs. Then second is the hair cycle, which is very important, because until and unless we know what is the hair cycle, which are the factors which are going to affect the hair cycle, we cannot treat hair diseases properly. Again, next point is which are the factors, starting with the age, sex, occupation, product history, family history, which are all these factors which affects the hair cycle. Because treating by the medicine is not only sufficient. You have to correct this hair cycle, which is very important. Next, we are going to discuss the investigations. So which are the investigations which are very important? Because since last 15 years when you are practicing, lot of patients are coming. So I treated all the male pattern baldness, female pattern baldness, alopecia, all alopecias. Even we are treating alopecia universalis. So what is alopecia universalis? When the patient is not having a single hair all over the body. So that is alopecia universalis. So this condition also we are treating only by Ayurveda principles. Okay, so if you want to treat such a patients, we should have a proper investigations, because several times it has been found that if there is no properly patient is scrutinized. So what is the problem? whether the problem is a nutritional deficiency, where the problem is with the hormonal deficiency, whether stress related problems are there, until and unless we are going to scrutinize, you will not get the results. So that we'll discuss in the investigations. Next is the trachoscopic analysis. Always I used to tell to all general practitioners, they should have the stethoscope, but hair specialist, they should have the trichoscope, because it is the only one instrument by which you can diagnose all the cases, because that evidence based practice is very important. If you use this trichoscope, then you can show the patient, so before this was the result, we treated you and this is the results. You can take the photographs and you can analyze. So that we are going to discuss how to use this trichoscope, what are these effects, what everything we should be discussed. Then we'll discuss all the diseases. There are telogen effluvium, dandruff, androgenic alopecia, in that male pattern, female pattern baldness, premature graying of the hairs, and the alopecia. No, there are different types of alopecias are there. Alopecia areata, alobarbae, alopecia tota. All the things we'll discuss, and what should be our line of approach. Investigation, diagnosis, and the treatment. So that we are to discuss from the modern point of view. Second class, we are going to discuss Ayurveda. What Ayurveda says? Ayurveda Kesha Vichara. Now, what is a Charaka, Shushrutu, Vagvata? How they differentiate? Because when I scrutinize the things, I got a reference from the Atharva Veda. In the Atharva Veda, the herbs like Kesha Bhumi, Kesha Drumi, Nitni, Kesha Vardhani. So like a lot of herbs are explained in the Atharva Veda. From the Atharva Veda, from the Sahita Kala to the Nighantu Kala, all the references are quoted very beautifully in these granthas. There we have to find out what is the opinion of the Vagvata, where the Charaka is explaining. So that will understand the different types of the opinion of the Acharyas. And what is the Khalitya, what is the Palitya, what is the Dharunaka, that we are going to discuss. And after that, so I develop, after this 15 years, I develop a very good concept for the treatment. Okay, that is a Koshta, Shrotas, and the Dhatus. So we are not treating the hair disease individually. And the hair fall is there, you give this medicine, alopecia, this medicine, it is not like that. So there is a very different, beautiful concept to give the medicines. For example, whenever the patient is coming to the clinic by any hair disorders, what the general practitioner does, so they start to give the multivitamins, then multiminerals, antioxidants, calciums. There's the bundle of things they are pouring on the patient, but it is not getting absorbed anywhere in the body. So first you have to do the Deepana, Pachana, Vata, Anulomana. First treatment you have to do, then the Rasa Rakta Shrotas, then you have to go to the Asthidhatu. There is a particular logic to treat the hair disorders. So that a secret of my success I am going to explore during this course. Then the Panchakarma. So I don't support all the Panchakarmas, but in the trichology, there are 2 to 3 Panchakarmas plays wonderful role. For the one treatment which is least given importance in the Ayurveda is a Parishekam. So that is a Kashaya Dhara throughout whole body. Why the Kashaya Dhara? Because Chakrapani says, if you want to treat the hair disorders, treat the Santapa of the body. What is the Santapa? Santapa is the interstitial temperature. So you have to reduce the interstitial temperature. Once the interstitial temperature is getting reduced, the body temperature will come down and your hair follicles will get the nutrition. So likewise, we have to tell you which are Panchakarma and which sequence you have to follow. So that herbs, Kalpanas, Kalpas, that we are going to explore in our second session. Third session, so that is our specialties. We are integrating the machines with the Ayurvedic herbs. Okay, so I develop a concept, instant hair loss management. So there are 5 machines which you can practice legally. You combine these 5 machines and give a treatment where within a day you will get the results. because we are treating to the basic cause of the hair disorders. So that how to combine these machines. So which are the machines? How to use the machine? That everything I am going to tell you. So remember, we are going to use the machines, but medicines are Ayurveda medicines. Okay. For example, the patients of Indralupta are there, alopecia patients are there, where so some patches are there where we need to stimulate the hair follicles. So we are using the derma roller. Everybody knows the derma roller, but the origin of the derma roller in the Astanga Sangraha, 5,000 years back in the Astanga Sangraha, it is mentioned under the name of Kurcha Chikitsa. They explained there is a 4 angular length instruments with at the tip multiple micro needles. You make these instruments, and by this instrument you have to do the Kesha Kuttana. So that is you have to do the Dharma roller. So that is there in the Astanga Sangraha. So that I am using the only one instrument which is in the Ayurveda, and the medicines we are preparing the medicines. That is alcoholic based medicines and the aqueous based medicines. If you want to give the nutrition, you have to use the aqueous medicines. And if you want to give the stimulation, you have to give the alcoholic extracts with pure Ayurveda herbs. No allopathy medicine is required to give that results. Okay, so likewise in the 3 days, we are going to do the Ayurveda part, modern part, and the machines. So this is in short, it will give the complete knowledge in a brief about the trichology. I am going to share you the pictures on the group. Some doctors will create a group. I will show you the pictures of the patients. Is unbelievable. So we are treating the 90%, 95% baldness with our treatment protocols. Only Ayurveda medicines, internal medicines, Panchakarma, and these machines. So this, if you use in your practice, I guarantee you that you will be successful Ayurvedic trichologist. And I expect each and every one to join to this innovative organization and be a part of this. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. That was a very informative session.
Yes.
Doctors, as you have heard him, you must have understood what you have said. And if you are interested in joining our program, please click onto the link provided in the chat box, and you will be directly going to the WhatsApp chat box, and you will be joining us there. So let me introduce you to our next speaker, Dr. Vinayak Nawale. Dr. Vinayak Nawale is the proprietor of Jyoti Biotech, Pune. He did his UG from Shivaji University, Kolhapur, and MD in Roga Nidana from Tilak Ayurveda College, Pune. He has started his career as QC consultant with spectrophotometer in pharma, followed by developing own lab for clinical pathology and an analytical solution firm for different biotech firms in Pune. Acquaintance with cosmetic QC labs since 2012. He worked with international labs for stability formulation in cosmetic industries. He started independent firm Jyoti Biotech in 2017. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Hello, everybody. Are you getting my voice?
Yeah, you're audible.
Hello. Yeah,
Yes, sir,
thank you.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you very much. Good evening to everybody. As Madam introduced very well, myself, Dr. Vinayak, I'm proprietor of Jyoti Biotech. I'm in formulation in manufacturing of Ayurvedic cosmetic with Ayush license. So that explains my core concepts and my core abilities. My core abilities are the Ayurvedic formulation, their utility, their stability, their FDA norms. I'm very thankful to Pampa and all the group that given me so opportunity. In coming 3 days, in my session, you will be learning about surfactant and Ayurvedic formulations. Surfactant are the actives which are used in hand wash, shampoo, body wash, or any type of cleansing solution. I'll be talking about them and how to use Ayurvedic herbs in a shampoo base or a body wash base, and how to evaluate their stability. What should be the pH of your final product? So I'll be talking about their cleansing product, especially the shampoo with relation to trichology and with relation to Ayurveda, because the pH is the central concept in every formulation, and many and many Ayurvedic formulations belongs to acidic pH, whereas many surfactants, anionic, non-ionic, belongs to alkaline pH. So how to combine them? I'll be talking about that. Then many of have done the cosmetic workshop. Many have are doing their home-based, OPD-based formulations, but such formulations are not so much stable over the period of time. So we'll be talking about the stability as well. We'll be talking about FDA defined stability concepts, practical stability concepts, and some international stability concepts. What is the stability of your product, of your own product, or what are the product available in the market? So first day we'll be talking about surfactant, shampoo, cleansing solutions, and Ayurveda with relation to it. Next is the most underestimated concept that has a lot of influence in the field of hair treatment or hair maintenance, that is conditioners. The hair conditioners are the specialized formulations which protect your hairs from static charges as well as pollution as well as external environment. It has a great and immense importance. We'll be talking about conditioners, how to use them in hair loss or how to use them in the hair growth as well as while you are treating the patient, you need to create new hair follicles, and conditioners are 10 times more important than your shampoo or cleansing solutions. So we will be talking how to create a conditioner, types of conditioners, and their relations with your hair color. Conditioners are also closely related with hair colors. Your hair colors are based on 2 to 3 principles. Conditioner works along them, and how to use hair colors as well as after coloring your hairs, everybody neglects the hair health, and that also induces your face skin. We'll be talking about that. We'll be theoretically discussing about types of hair colors, how to use them, how not to use them, how to use them in your patients, and how to take care of them. So we'll be talking in next day. We'll be talking about hair conditioners, hair colors, and care. Third day will be my subject of my choice, that is nutrition. I'll be talking about general nutrition, nutritional deficiencies, how to convert the patient in your plan of a nutrition based treatment for hair falls as well as many skin disorders. Because in today's market you can see monomolecular solutions such as vitamin C serum, vitamin A serum, niacinamide gels, niacinamide creams. There are lots of nutritional molecules available in the present market, and they're running very high. Ayurveda has its own core competence, its own power regarding to nutrition, but we need to how to use them, how to convert the patient. Will be on the third day. We'll be talking types of nutrition with relation to face, skin, and hairs. Also, what are the plants? What should not be done while doing the nutritional practice in trichology and cosmetology? And the basic concept, see, cosmetology is not a leisure science. To look beautiful, to become a presentable, it's a natural urge of every human being. It's absolutely natural. So since 2000 years, 5000 years, in any culture, whether it's a Egyptian, Chinese, or Indian, beautification concept is deeply rooted, deeply embedded in every civilization, in every social psychology. In Bhakti Sampradaya, we can say we beautify the gods and goddesses. Our cosmetic science has roots in that beautification in our puja as well. In past times, we were using natural flowers and colors. In present times, we are also using it with much scientific base. So my field will be combination of scientific norms and Ayurvedic concepts in between the formulation, stability of the formulations. So in coming 3 days, we'll be talking about first cleansing science, second conditioner science and hair color science, and third day it will be nutrition related to both. Thank you guys. I hope majority of you will join, and you will definitely will enjoy, will be benefited with upcoming 3 days seminar. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the informative session. So participants, I hope you have all understood what he was telling you. And if you are still interested in joining us, please click onto the link provided in the chat group. You will be directed into a WhatsApp link. And you please join these classes. These are going to be very beneficial for you. And let me now hand over the mic to my partner, Dr. Rahul.
Thank you, Dr. Anjana, for the introduction section. And hi all, myself, Dr. Rahul J. Shankar. I can assure that the highlight of this course are our team. Thank you, Dr. Madhu Chawla, Dr. Amala Jodi, Dr. Shivanand Patil, Dr. Vinayak Nawale, and Dr. Rajit Vikas Maitre. And the highlight of this Pradipnya e-Ayurveda offers you first ever and worthwhile certificate course, bringing most sought areas of clinical practice under one umbrella. That is the main highlight of our program. And the exclusive product making sessions on men cosmetic products, baby products, hair care, food care, face care, skin care, and diet regimen, and many more. The highlights are 30 days of class, 60 hours, 5 eminent faculties, over 200 products, making session at reasonable fees. Access to the recordings, and we are providing the product making notes and e-certification for the participation. And the most highlighted one is 24/7 live platform for your queries. Thank you all. I just welcome Dr. Shah Mohan. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Rahul, and thank you, Dr. Anjana, for taking care of the info session. Thanks to all the teachers. Now, this is something that we take pride in. We always try to find the best of the best, and we have, of course, we have other platforms also, and that is how we know that these people are very good. And the most professional team that we have yet found is the cosmetology that we had before. So thanks to all of them for coming today and introducing the topic to you. Also, just want to mention that men's products and baby products are very seldom you see in these kind of programs. It is going to be changing, because a lot of people are there in the the beauty sector, but the men's products, I don't think there are a lot of people. There are a lot of players in that, so that could be one of the things that you can start on your own. And I believe everything is already mentioned by the doctors. There are chats. I mean, look, in the chat, there is a link posted. If you click on that, you can go to the WhatsApp group, and there you'll be given a chance to join this course. I don't think I have to add anything. It is beautifully explained by the teachers. So thanks to all of them. Yes, course fees is a question that was asked. Course fees is 4,000 rupees. So I hope 200 and some products, 4,000 is okay. So you'll be given a lot of support from our side, the teachers side, on the how to properly set up your own setup, as Dr. Mehatre sir said. You'll be given all the details about the labeling, the products, packaging, etc. And you will be confident enough to launch your own if you are interested, if you are to join in this course and pursue this career. So that is our aim, that you do what we teach you to do. Hopefully you have all understood what this is about and what we are about. We thank all of you for coming in, and please do tell your friends and colleagues who are interested in the cosmetology and trichology about this. All the details will be posted in the WhatsApp chat group that we are about to start. So if you want to join, you can see all the brochures, everything in that. These are my partners, Dr. Anjana Unnikrishnan, Dr. Rahul J, and myself. And thanks to my family members also. My mother is here, my father-in-law is here. So thanks to them also for coming in and supporting us. So thanks to all of you. Let us end now. I'm very sure this much topics in a cosmetology course has never happened in the past. I don't believe it is. And it has been a wonderful journey finding all the people, all the teachers for this session. So I hope you take advantage of this. So let us end the session now. Thanks to all of you for coming. Thank you all. Bye. See ya. Good night. Thank you.